Okay, welcome back guys to our next tutorial. We have been talking about string terminator and string length to the bit square to for iterate a string. So for this case, because we have arrays ahead, let's get on with the tutorial so I can get to understand C better. So for this case and for in this video, guys, in this video I want to show you how to write a custom header files. When I'm talking about whatever you're saying here therefore as preprocessor directories, they're the one that tells the compiler that you search whatever they appear to. So after that, when you go to the int main and do whatever is appearing in the int main. So for this case, we can be required to design your personal, or we call it a custom, a header file. It is custom to programmers to use personal header files to make programs work better, because with that you can make it better. So there are different ways of making custom header files. Some can come and say define, like define, you see that? So you can do whatever you want in there. Alright, so that becomes you. Don't confuse the hashtag of Twitter. This is programming C. You can define whatever you want, like you can define my name, let's say my name, then we say Almeida. That can be a header file. So whatever you're doing there is that we are defining a new header file that is Almeida. So every time you're running a program, you have information in the int main, the compiler gonna be running to it and searching whether my name exists and replace it with Almeida, so whatever happens. So for example, when talking about this, we can say like printf and say we want my, let's just type something stupid like you and your name are what the heck is this, percent is percent is come here and say we're gonna use this one as our header file. Alright, so it is something like this that we're talking about header file. So the compiler gonna look for each whatever all here, gonna be looking for it from here to send who is my name. So my name is Almeida, so it's gonna print you and your name are Almeida. So that's how compiler does to the header file. So we're gonna search for it. So you can see the headers also have the h, standard IO, stdio the h, stdlib the h. So those are headers. However, you can define your own header. We call the preprocessor directory. It is so much amazing, and you can see that you and your name are Almeida. So that's how a header work. What about if you want to have a different header? What do? You need to come and define your own header file so that you don't get confused. So let's get away this one and this one. This one is breaking, so get about with this one too. Alright, so if you want to write your own header, you can come here to file. Alright, come to new, choose an empty file. Yes, so that empty file you save it with a name. So for example, this one, when I call it Almeida M in 4H. We can call it again, or let me use the simplest one like Manzolo info dot h. Also remember to include the dot h because it's the one that you want to tell the compiler that this one is a header file. Alright, so we save. So you can see you can accept this one like that. You can have it. So that's what we call a header file. So the unique thing about this software, apart from just writing programs, can also understand what you're writing to be what. So like Manzolo info, to this compiler and the software, it is a header. So you see, under our headers we have Manzolo info. That's the interesting thing about this software called Coblox. So we want to get started about this header file. Like it now, we can say define. We can say define my name Almeida. We can say define age 28. You see, when declaring characters, we said we use double quotation marks, but for integers we don't use that, you know. So like we come here and say include. So you see all these ones are having these brackets, but for writing you when you want to include your personal header, you don't use them. So you can just say what you want to include is Manzolo. Let's use the capital letter Manzolo info, right? So that's what you're trying to say. So like guys, I want to give you a story before we finish up with this tutorial. One time I was talking to my girlfriend and asked her, how many girls do you think I can date? It depends on their age. And she was looking at me like, what are you talking about? But I did not answer it. I just gave you my question. Which kind of girls can I date? Depend on their age. And she said that I can say nothing about it because you're supposed just to love me alone. I can say, yeah, loving is loving, but what about dating? I'm saying dating. And she was so much curious about me. But to me, I realized that you can date a girl of your choice. Right? So guys, you need to be careful. You can be dating a girl who is lower than your age. So today, I want to give you a formula to date a girl that you want. Alright? So check out on this. So let me say like correct, we want to declare a variable int. We say that it is girl's age equals to, we can do mathematical operation and say we're gonna call it age divided by, say age divided by 2, come outside here, plus 8. Alright, so that is the formula to get a girl's age. So how do we do it? So let's say come on printf here, come on printf function, and say percent is can date girls percent d years and above. Alright, years and above old. So that is the function that we want to be dealing with. So you can say here comma, so whatever we wanted here, percent Swiss percent s is my name. Alright, so we copy this one and put it here, and the next one is the girl's age that we want. You copy and paste it here. So that's what we want for us to do and get the girl's age. So guys, if you want to date, this is the formula, and you see how it runs for to get the kind of girls you need to date. Which age? Remember, you may be dating a 16-year-old girl that is illegal in Kenya. Wherever you may find yourself, don't say that Almeida did, but just get focused on what you're doing. So check out on this. Almeida can date girls 22 years and above old. Alright? So that can be that. But what if I use the actual age? Now see the girls Manzolo can date. I'm 20 years of age. And we don't actually have to save this one because whenever we build and run, the compiler automatically saves what you're doing. But for this case, it is something interesting to get a girl's age that want to be dating. Let me use this one, same as well as 20, which is the least age of girl that I can date. Let me get to know. In fact, I didn't know, but I know the formula. I got the formula. So much interesting. You gotta watching this. So don't be surprised when I'm dating a 14-year girl. Almeida can date girls 18 years and above old. Wow! So this is much interesting, you see. I'm working under the law. So wherever you are, you should know the kind of girls you can date. Alright? 18 years and above. If you're dating below that, see me behind the scenes. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. You have known about rating your personal header voice and include what you want there. So this is the basic way and it's custom programmers to use personal headers. We call them custom headers to write programs that are much appealing, functional, and seriously functions. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't done so, share and like the video. Bye bye. Let's meet in the next tutorial.